How beginners are using AI to make money in real estate without owning property. Real estate used to be a game for people with deep pockets and deep experience, but not anymore. Because beginners are now using AI-driven analysis and data to make smarter investing decisions, find deals faster, and enter the market with confidence. Here's how they're doing it, step by step. For decades, real estate investing required local market knowledge, spreadsheets, brokers, analysts, and sometimes guesswork. Most beginners simply couldn't compete. But then AI started analyzing markets faster than humans ever could, revealing patterns, risk levels, price shifts, and investment opportunities in seconds. AI doesn't just give random predictions. It scans millions of data points such as neighborhood appreciation rates, rental demand, job growth, interest rates, migration data, short-term rental occupancy, price drops, distressed sales, and more. This used to take analysts hours or days to process. Now it takes seconds. Strategy number 1: Finding undervalued markets. AI identifies cities and neighborhoods that are about to grow in value. Strategy number 2: Comparing rental cash flow. AI tools compare rent, expenses, taxes, and returns automatically. Strategy number 3: Predicting future demand. AI tracks population movement, job creation, and tourism data. Strategy number 4: Fast deal underwriting. Automated deal calculators now estimate cap rate, cash-on-cash return, rehab costs, ROI, and break-even rent. Monetizing without owning property. Here's the part most people don't realize: you don't need to buy property to make money with AI in real estate. Real estate investors love data, and they pay for it. The real advantage: so why is this working? Because in real estate, the money doesn't go to the smartest investor. It goes to the best informed investor. Final CTA: if you want more videos breaking down how AI is transforming real estate, and how beginners are using it to build wealth, make sure you subscribe and drop a comment saying AI real estate so I know what to make next. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.